Are you curious what the main dining room on the Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas has to offer? Join me, Bonnie, as I show you my 17 days worth of culinary excellence. Let's get started. Royal Caribbean describes the dining room as a venue with sweeping multi-level ambiance, world-class cuisine, and extraordinary personal service. And from my experience, I would say that that is pretty much the case. Here's a glimpse of what you can expect on your food adventure aboard the Brilliance of the Seas. Here is a sample breakfast menu. Over 17 days, I experienced and tasted a lot of theme menus, from the classic American to the exotic Caribbean night and the much anticipated formal extravaganza with lobster. Each night was not just about the food, but the entire dining experience, and it included performances by the staff as well. While every spot in this multi-level dining room offers its unique charm, the window seats were my personal favorite. Simply, there was more space, it offered a view, and it was a bit of solitude from the chaos in the dining room, and perfect for a solo traveler like me. If you have food allergies or something specific, notify your staff at least 24 hours prior to dining and make sure you talk to them about your particular menus. The desserts were a combination of sugar-free, gluten-free, or you could just have plain fruit. They are very good about substituting anything you need.
It's one of my favorite desserts because it's coconut and it is sugar-free. It's really good.
From appetizers to main courses, each dish was flavorful and delicious.
Today we have Beyond the Sea.
They do have ample selections of beef dishes, chicken, and lots of different things. I did have a tendency to order many fish dishes, and that's why you see those here. The French onion soup tastes delicious. I had some excellent wait staff that always gave me a little extra of everything.
Tiger shrimp is really delicious. They're huge prawns. They're almost like prawns. It's delicious. Hey, right?
Butter chicken.
Very nice, thank you.
Delicious pad thai. Matcha cake.
day here at the dining room. I was able to get 2 entrees and 2 desserts. Coconut cake. This is one of my favorites. I've always liked this. Pavlova. Tastes kind of like a meringue. It's crispy. I feel like this menu is similar to what we've had, or a mix of some other things, because I remember this sticky coffee pudding, this royal chocolate cake. They kind of just made a different combination today. Lobster tonight, which I somehow missed. This is an asparagus pumpkin hummus. I forgot to take a picture of it before I started eating, so there was a little bit more than what it's showing. This is pecan crusted salmon. That looks delicious. Oh, okay.
It's a brown sugar.
Oh, so this is crema catalana from Spain. These are my guys that have helped me out all along the cruise, and I'm really thankful to have them. They've made my cruise very special. Thank you guys so much. It's been great.
You want to name Voyage? Thank you very much. My name is Shane. And I'm Radiance. Thank you. Thank you. Likes and subscribe.
I do have an extensive playlist on the Brilliance of the Seas about casual dining. I have it about the room and about where we went and what we did, so, and also a ship tour, so please make sure you check that out. If you have found value or you've learned something in this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do appreciate that you have watched this. Thank you so much, and happy cruising, and until next time.